In this video, I'll show you how to blur an object in CapCut, the same way you're seeing right now with this license plate. So let's get started right away. First step, let's start a new project. Select the video you want to blur. In my case, I'll blur this license plate. So I select the video and press add. Tap below your video, so in this black spot like this, and then select effect. Select video effect. Now we need to find blur. You need to navigate like this until you select lens, then go down and select blur, this one. Then select the check mark. Extend the blur effect by dragging the right side end till the end of the video. See, so just keep it pressed. Oops, sorry. Now I moved the whole effect, so this is not what you want. So keep it pressed to move it. Like this. Then if you tap on it, you're going to see these white handles on each side. Drag these till the video ends. So we have the blurry effect during the whole video. Now, obviously, this is not what we want. So you're going to tap on your video that is on the top here. Tap once on it, and then down below you're going to scroll down until you see duplicate. Duplicate. Tap on this. Great. Now go back at the beginning of the video. So select your video, and then down below you're going to select overlay. If you do not see it, make sure go back. And here it is, overlay. Tap on it. Make sure your second video, the one below the first one, is selected. And then down below here, select mask. Here we go, mask. Tap on it. Then select the shape of your mask. In my case, I just want a square or rectangle since the license plate is square and rectangle. So I'll press on rectangle. So this is how it looks. If it's not what you want and the outer space of the rectangle is blurred but not inside of the rectangle, just press inverted. It will switch between blurring what's outside and blurring what's inside. Obviously, we want what's inside. So from here, we're going to position this blurry effect right on the license plate, and then we'll make it smaller using these arrows, or you can also pinch if you're not happy. Let me position it. Okay, I think this is okay. Now the problem is that when you make the video go like this, you see the car is moving, but our square or rectangle is not. I'll show you how to make it move and follow the thing you want to hide and blur. So from here, make sure you're at the first frame of the video. So I'm at the very beginning, and I will insert a keyframe, which is this small logo over here. I'll tap on it once, and it will put a keyframe. Now I just have to move the cursor of the video a bit farther until the car moves a bit. And then I will insert another keyframe by pressing the same exact icon. And then reposition it, repositioning the blur effect over the thing I want to hide. And then I'll do this multiple times. So again, the car moves here. I'll put another keyframe and I'll move this blurry effect. Then I'll move it even more. And here we can see the license plates. I'll stop it, put another keyframe. And now if you do not see the mask anymore, to move it around, go again down here and select mask while your second clip is selected. Here go mask, and the option will reappear. So I'll just drag it like this. We're almost done here. I'll move it a bit more. Another keyframe, reposition it. Oh, here it goes away, so I'll stop it. Another keyframe, lowering, and you can also adjust the size of your blur between each keyframe. You're not obligated to keep the same size. So if your shape, let's say the head of your person is getting closer from your camera, obviously it will get bigger and you can make this blur bigger. Like this, and we are, I think, almost done. Let me stop it here, add the last keyframe, put this lower, and we are done. Now let's preview the clip. So let's go to the beginning, press play. And if you do not want to see these things, by the way, on the screen, you just have to tap anywhere on the black part over here. They will make these disappear. Let's press play. And you see the blur is following the license plate of the car.